talk more about where you're going to put that $240 million to use.
Thank you so much. This round was really about supercharging one of our new products called HiveMind Enterprise. And HiveMind Enterprise is an enterprise software suite that enables companies, governments, OEMs to develop, test, evaluate, and deploy autonomy across a number of different unmanned systems, across a number of different domains at scale. It's really a page out of Amazon Web Services playbook. They had a great internal product that they commercialized. We've done the exact same thing at Shield AI. We spent the past 10 years building the world's best AI pilot. Along the way, we built incredible development tools, infrastructure, and pipelines. And about a year and a half ago, we made the decision, you know what, we're going to package this up, we're going to commercialize it, we're going to bring it to market so that we can enable our customers to deploy millions of AI pilots.
There are a lot of strategic investors interested, Brandon. Look, you in this round have L3Harris and Hanwha Aerospace, but we understand that you're going to be closing another round in a few weeks' time from yet more strategics. Why do they want in, and who's calling you?
The demand is very high for autonomy worldwide, and I think what you're seeing is a lot of strategics recognize this demand from the customer base, and they don't have the best solution in-house to develop, test, and deploy autonomy. And so that demand that you're seeing from the strategics is a recognition of demand from the broader marketplace, along with a recognition that the autonomy is a hard thing to build. We make it faster, Shield AI makes it faster, we make it easier, and we've been doing this for 10 years, and we've got real-world results in customers' hands on the battlefield today.
Well, let's talk about some of those defense customers. A lot of what's driving the optimism in this particular sector is the fact that you can both tap the commercial side and government contracts. What does that breakdown look like for you guys?
Yeah, 100%. Look, we still sell directly to the U.S. government, U.S. military, and our allied governments. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention our VBAT aircraft, which after we flew in Ukraine last year against Russian jammers, against jamming GPS, jamming communications, no impact to our aircraft because of our AI pilot that we had flying the aircraft. We're seeing massive demand in the aircraft aspect of our business. Now, what HiveMind Enterprise really allows us to do, it allows us to supercharge the industrial base. It allows us to tap into those commercial markets. And it is, somewhat, you could make the analogy, it's a little bit of what like Palantir did 10 years into their business, where they started to pursue the commercial markets, seeing a need from what they had built for the government in the commercial sector. We see that exact same need. A lot of commercial companies trying to figure out how to develop and deploy autonomy.
There's been a lot of conflicts around the world, and now you're seeing European countries really start to communicate that they're going to bolster defense spending. Is that a good thing for you guys?
Certainly, we are seeing the same messaging, and we're having those conversations every day with our European customers. They very much are acknowledging that their defense budgets are going up. They have to figure out, what capabilities, what technology, what products they want. I think there's also a recognition they're turning to things that have worked when GPS or communications is being jammed. They don't want to do things the exact same way that they've been done for the 30-plus years. They're going to smaller, more affordable, distributed systems that are powered by autonomy.